So you've probably never heard of this keyboard. It's a NUBWO X68 Krueger, a brand you'll mostly see if you're in Thailand or Southeast Asia. I picked one up myself a few days ago and I wanted to actually see if it holds up. At the end of the video, I will be doing a sound test, so stay tuned for that. And now let's get into it. So my first impressions is that this keyboard is made out of a lot of plastic. And combining with a blue switch underneath these keycaps, it just makes even more clackier, which I very much like. Next is the color. The color I chose is black because I already had a white keyboard and I just want to change the feeling of it, so I chose a black keyboard this time. Next is the keycap style. That's the part I like most because these keycaps, they have a little bit of an angle on it, and like the height difference for each row really makes a difference when I'm programming or coding, even writing documents for my school. It feels like my hand just locks right into the keyboard. And this keyboard is a 65%, which is like a 68 key layout without the function keys. Even though it's lightweight, it's still quite sturdy to a certain point where it does not wobble, like left to right, up and down, and stuff like that. For the price point of 300 baht, or around 10 US dollars, let's just let this speak for itself. The switches feel clicky. It's a blue switch keyboard plus this plastic keycaps. It is a perfect combination in my opinion. With the plastic and blue switch, it gives off this even more clickier sound. And here's the sound up close. The thing that stood out to me most about this keyboard is that first, the price is very low. For $10 or 300 baht for me, that is just absolutely banger. Let's get into like the physical part of the keyboard. So first of all that I like is that it's the keycaps, it's angled, and the height difference for each row really makes my hand just locks right into place whenever I type. However, there are a few things that you need to know before buying this keyboard. First of all is that the RGBs. For each row, there's only one color which you really can't change because the software is the problem. I downloaded the software from its official NUBWO website and my Windows detected a virus in that app, so I just did not try it out or whatever because I don't want to risk my computer and stuff like that. At 300 baht or $10 depending on where you are in the world, is it worth it? Well, if you're a budget gamer, a student, or someone who just wants RGB on the keyboard, this makes total sense. However, if you're looking for a premium feel, a metal sturdy base, probably look elsewhere. Overall, I would give it a 3 out of 5 for its price point. If you want me to review more budget or lesser known brands like this, let me know in the comments. That's kind of the plan for this channel. See you in the next one!